Started messing around and making knee pads. Came out all right. I think I made it a little too big. I don't know, or not quite tight enough. But the back looks good and all. When I bend, it kind of flares out though quite a bit. Have to mess around with it and snug it up some. It's like 9 inches or so this way, and then 14 around for mine. I went off of a kick pad measurement, or knee pad measurement off of the Trace brand, old Trace brand site and stuff, of what their measurements were. So, I don't know. I cut the notches in it and all that on the sides. This was a first run kind of prototype. Yeah, you can see when you bend, it bends up and flares out. So I have to mess with that and see. I don't know.